But this is no time for finger-pointing. The blame game is a recipe for mutually assured destruction. I'm here to appeal to all parties to rise to this moment and to the greatest challenge that humanity is facing. The most effective way to rebuild trust is by finding an ambitious and credible agreement on loss and damage and financial support to developing countries. The time for talking on loss and damage finance is over. We need action. Fossil fuel expansion is hijacking humanity. Any hope of meeting the 1.5 target requires a step change in emissions reductions. We cannot close the emissions gap without an acceleration in the deployment of renewables. The world is watching, and there's a simple message to all of us: stand and deliver. Deliver the kind of meaningful climate action that people and planet so desperately need.